Yo, this is Matt V 2099. What I have here is the outdoor deep fryer setup, and we are going to deep fry some 22 long rifle. Oh my goodness, so that was over the top. Way more than I ever expected. I got oil all over everything, all over my cameras, my tripods. So this is what's left. It looked like the 22 actually exploded. Here's some recovered. Wow. Just take a look at that. So some of them just, they just exploded. The casing just exploded. And then that just blew some of these other ones out of the oil. Oil like went everywhere. Holy crap. So that may be the first and last episode of Will It Deep Fry. Now I suppose if I get enough thumbs up, I could go out and do a 9mm version, but I don't know, man. Just depends on the demand. Look at that. There's a deep fried 22. Ooh, yum. So let me know, if you think that's crazy, don't want me to do more, hit that thumbs down. If you want to see another one, hit that thumbs up. And thank you for watching. Matt V 2099 out. See if we can get this thing out of here.